husband's job. He was changing jobs and got an offer with Rubbermaid when it was in Huntersville. Okay. I am a small business owner. I own Page Turner Books and Boutique. It's a children's/women's boutique store down here in downtown Morrisville. And I just love having my own business, growing it. I don't even know. I just love it. I don't know. I love supporting myself and my family and helping. And just knowing it's, for me and my family. Oh, my comfort food. Right now, I think it's anything. Oh, dips. Like, dips are a good comfort food. Warm hot dip. Wow. I don't think so. No, I don't know. I do have one. The favorite memory is that my mother always makes me angel food cake, and it's not my favorite. And every year she makes me angel food cake for my birthday, and it's German chocolate cake. It's my favorite. So for 20 years she gave me angel food cake, and I acted like I liked it. The camaraderie of downtown. All the small businesses get together. They are all supportive of each other, and it's exciting to see the downtown growing, and just all the new folks that are moving down, and just the growth of Morrisville is actually pretty incredible. Home is basically wherever my family is. I would say 100%.